What did you think of the motor I sent you?
Yeah, looks good.
Contact him and figure out the deets. We also are gonna need new shocks and struts. I'll send you a link.
As of right now, we don't need tires. To make this thing drivable, we're gonna need a couple more things. Transmission, differential, and some more parts.
I already ordered the trans and the diff. All we need is a motor. Crap. He already sold the motor.
Don't worry, they made plenty of those. I'm sure we can find another one.
Wait, what about this? Chevy LS crate motor, LS1.
HM. It's a little more expensive, but if you're willing to spend the price, then yeah, go for it.
Alright, I'll contact him and see the soonest time we can pick it up.
Nice job, Alex.
We all ready to go?
Yeah.
Yep. So what are we waiting for?
What you gonna get?
I don't know. I was gonna get whatever you were gonna get.
That's what I was gonna do.
Alex?
Yes sir, that's me. Here's the cash.
Perfect. I'll go count this and grab the forklift.
Alright.
Was it really that smart to give a complete stranger all the cash and let him walk away?
Probably not.
Alright boys, cash is all good. I'll go load it up.
Awesome, thanks. We parked on the side of the building. We'll meet you out there.
Alright, you guys get back safe now. Keep me posted on this build of yours.
Will do, sir. Thank you again. How about we get back to the shop and put this thing together? I'm good to go.
Me too.
We got a motor, transmission, shocks, struts and a differential. Let's get to work. Motor's good to go. How you guys holding up?
Shocks and struts all the way around, good to go.
Diff is finished. Let's get this thing moving. Now for the moment of truth.
I hope this works.
Me too. Woohoo.
Started first try. That's a miracle. We should go buy lottery tickets.
Let's see if it wants to move. Alright, it runs and drives. Tomorrow we'll bring it to the dyno. Meet here tomorrow morning?
Yeah, if I don't wake up, come get me, ha.
You must be Alex, ready to get to work.
Yep.
Final run hit 415 horsepower and 421 torque.
Let's get it back on the truck and teach this man to drive stick. Slowly release the clutch. Sorry. Sorry. There you go. Now try getting into second gear. Absolutely.
Wow, look at him
Okay,
go.
now stop and grab Jamie. You're driving us home. Thanks. Holy crap, he's a natural.